Good evening student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss exercise 2.4 from NCERT book. As we will go through the exercise 2.4 NCERT book, you will see that question number 1 and question number 2 is quite easy, and we have discussed in the Zoom classes also. So I will not solve such question which I have discussed in the Zoom classes. Today I will solve question number 3 and question number 4, 5 and some exceptional question, that is board level question, which I have also solved here, which is also very important. So let's go for solving exercise 2.4 question number 3. So I am writing the question number 3, exercise 2.4. Actually this question also I have discussed in the Zoom classes, but I know this question is I am repeating, that's why, because it is very important question and it is board level question. Chances are there that board can ask such types of questions, so that's why I am repeating these questions. Now this is the question number 3 from NCERT exercise 2.4. Question number 3 are, if the zeros of polynomial is given are a minus b, a and a plus b, find the value of a and b. This a and b, we have to find the value of a and b. For solving such type of question, first write the polynomial, that is px is equal to x to the power cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Compare this equation with the standard form of the cubic polynomial. So write comparing above equation by, here small a is given, so you have to write capital A, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, so that mixing is not there. Okay, so now compare and get the value of a and b. So we get, what is the value of a? Here x, coefficient of x cube is a, so a. Here coefficient of x cube is 1, so a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is b, coefficient of x square is minus 3, so b is equal to minus 3. Coefficient of x is c, coefficient of x is 1, so c is equal to 1. Now constant term is d and last term is 1, so d is equal to 1. Okay, after this take one as alpha, second one as beta, third one as gamma, because there are 3 zeros, so we will use the symbolic letter, Greek letter, that is alpha, beta and gamma. So let alpha is equal to a minus b, beta is equal to a and gamma is equal to a plus b. Okay, now come to the relationship of the zeros with the coefficient of the polynomial. So first relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to minus b by a. Here minus b is the coefficient of x square and a is coefficient of x cube. Here minus b, that is coefficient of x square, and this one is coefficient of x cube. Okay, this will be the relation. So put the value of alpha. Alpha is a minus b, so we will put a minus b. Beta is a, we will put a. Gamma is a plus b, we will put a plus b. Minus b की value, then y minus 3 and a is 1. Okay, solve this equation. B plus b minus, it will be cancelled. A plus a plus a, it will be 3a is equal to 3, then a is equal to 1. This is the value of a. Then we will go for the value of b. From either we can go with this relation, that is second relation, alpha beta plus beta gamma and gamma alpha. It is called sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. It is equal to c by a. We can also find from this, and we can also find from alpha beta gamma, that is equal to minus d by a. but I will suggest that used option number 3 because it is much easier than the option number 2. So we will go for this option alpha beta gamma, that is equal to minus d by a. Again, product of zeros, that is alpha beta gamma. So write alpha beta gamma, that is equal to minus d by a. Write the value of alpha, is it a minus b. Write the value of a, it is a. Write the value of gamma, it is a plus b. Then it is equal to minus d minus 1 divided by 1. Now a minus b and a plus b, it will be a square minus b square into a is equal to minus 1. Now a square, so a will be 1, so 1 square minus b square into 1 is equal to minus 1. 1 square is 1 minus b square into 1, it will be 1 minus b square, that is equal to 1. Take 1 here, so 1 plus 1 is equal to b square. So what will be the value of b? Then b square is equal to 2, b is equal to plus minus root 2. This is the value of b. Now after question number 3 we move for question number 5, because question number 4 we have discussed in Zoom classes, and that's why 2 times we have discussed, that's why I have not solved here. So it is now, see this question number 5. If the polynomial, that is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder come out as x plus a, find k and a. It is also discussed in the Zoom classes, but here I am repeating, that's why it is quite higher order thinking skill question, that's why I am repeating, so that you can go and learn from this video. Okay, see this, we will divide this polynomial by this polynomial till the degree of this polynomial will be lesser than degree of this polynomial. After that we will compare the remainder with this polynomial and get the value of k and a. So by long division x square minus 2x plus k into x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 divide. As we have learned in division process, what we have to do, that we have to just we have to write a term x to the power 4 by multiplying something with this polynomial, so that something will written here. Okay, so first write x, then write the power, here 4, here 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, write 2, multiply this x square into x square, it will be x to the power 4 minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube, k into x square, it will be kx square. Now plus then minus, plus then minus, minus then plus, plus then minus. Here this one will be the cancel out. So see this, minus 6x cube plus 2x cube, it will be minus 4x cube. Okay, here I will suggest that if you are unable to subtract this, then go for the rough work. Write in rough work, write 6, first write, go in rough work, and in rough work write first 16x square, then write kx square with this sign minus kx square, take x square common, it will be 16x square, 16 minus k square, write with plus sign because here x square sign is plus, so 16 minus k into x square and then 1 minus 25x. Again, first of all we have to put here minus because here minus is there, so put minus. Now put 4, then put x. Okay, because 3 minus 2 is power 1, that will be, that's why I have written x. Now 4x into x square, it will be minus 4x cube, minus 4 minus 2 minus 4, 4 to the 8, and then plus 8x square, okay, minus 4kx, again minus then plus, plus then minus, minus then plus, it will be cancelled out. Now write this one, 16 minus kx square, 16 minus kx square, again write this term with minus sign, minus 8x square, take x square outside, it will be written 16 minus k minus 8, solve the bracket term, then it will be 8 minus k, write 8 minus k x square, 8 minus k x square, okay. Now write again minus 25 minus 25 minus 25x plus 4kx, take x outside, minus 25 plus 4k, take positive first, then 4k minus 25, write 4k minus 25 into x and write 10. Again you have to multiply this equation by 8 minus k, so write 8 minus k, now first one will be 8 minus k under bracket x square. So we are unable to multiply this one into this one, so we will do in rough process, we will multiply the both term in rough process and we will write the result here. So first write minus 2x, then write 8 minus k, put x outside and minus 2 inside, minus 16 plus 2k, take positive first, then 2k minus 16, write 2k minus 16 x, and this one k into 8, it will be k into 8 minus k, it will be 8k minus k square, okay, write 8k minus k square, 8k minus k square, minus then plus minus, minus then minus, cancel out, okay. Now see this, we have subtracted this one, so either you can subtract in rough process or you can go directly. If you will go directly, then first take 4k, then take minus 2k, 4k minus 2k, it will be 2k, again take minus 25 and minus minus plus 16, minus 25 plus 16, it will be minus 9, and then write x outside, take 10, then is minus 8k plus k square, this will be the result. So we will stop here the division process, because degree of this polynomial will be lesser than degree of this polynomial, that's why we will stop here and compare the remainder with the given remainder, that is x plus a. So after comparing according to question or according to condition, we will compare 2k minus 9 under bracket x plus 10 minus 8k plus k square is equal to x plus a, because x plus a is our remainder, given remainder. Now compare the x term both side. Here x term is coefficient of x is 2k minus 9 and here coefficient of x is 1. So 2k is equal minus 9 is equal to 1, 2k is equal to 10, 1 plus 9 is 10, then k is equal to 5. After the value of k, we will find out the value of a. For this we need to remove the written. Now again, for value of a, what we have to do, we will compare this one, this is a constant term, and this a, we will compare both equal to. So in second, we will, after comparing 10 minus 8k plus k square, it will be equal to a. Put the value of k here. K is 5, so k is 5. So 10 minus 8 into 5 plus 5 square is equal to a. Now 10 minus 8 5 is 40 plus 5 square 25 is equal to a. 25 plus 10 my 25 plus 10 35 minus 40 is equal to a. Then minus 5 is equal to a. So a is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to 5. This will be your answer. So student, I am stopping here, and in my next video you will find some important question of chapter 2, and today I am concluding my session. So good night, goodbye, take care of yourself.